I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel yours to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees felt far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true, and the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch the borders touch your face. When it burned while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. But lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch the borders touch your face. Well, while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Where it felt something die, 'cause I knew that were the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, the heart you called must be waiting for you. Even though I'm beyond the over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch the borders touch your face. Well, it burned while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Where it felt something die, 'cause I knew that were the last time.